everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share my Shein haul with you all. Probably this is going to be my last Shein haul, considering that 59 Chinese apps including Shein were banned. So yeah, I am sad, but I want to give a disclaimer that I am in no way trying to say that Shein should not have been banned or promoting any Chinese apps. So yeah, please keep that in mind, and without any further ado, let's just get straight into the video because I think it's going to be a little bit long because I have a lot of stuff to show you guys. So yeah, let's get started. So I bought a pair of boots from Shein and this is how they look like. The quality and material is really good. I really like it. It fit me well, and I don't really remember the price of it, but yeah, the material is kind of velvety and it is good. It looks so classy, super classy. I really like it. I think I got them for 11 or 1200 rupees. I really don't remember correctly the price and I cannot really check. So yeah, this is the first side. Moving on to accessories and other small items, I got this incandescent fanny pack. I don't know what it was called, but I guess this was the name, and this is how it looks like. This looks so pretty. It's got an adjustable strap here and a zip here. The space is not a lot, but it is spacious enough for me. I don't carry a lot, so yeah, and I really like it. The quality is good for the price that I paid. I remember the price very clearly. It was for 350 rupees, and I really like it. It's gonna look super cool. Quality, as I said, for the price, it is nice and I love it. Okay, so next up is this half hoops. Like, these are huge hoops and it's a good purchase, and this retailed for, I think, and this retailed for around 150 rupees, I guess. I don't know surely, but yeah. The next thing that I want to show you all is this belt, and this comes with a very pretty heart-shaped buckle, and this retailed for, I think, 200 rupees. I'm taking a guess, 200 to 250 rupees, not more than that, I believe. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and this is like really good quality and I really like it. This heart-shaped buckle right here looks so cute, and yeah, I really liked it. The next thing that I want to show you all is this packet of fake acrylic nails. Now bear in mind, these are acrylic nails. These are not the regular stick-on or press-on nails. These are acrylic nails, and I am wearing them right now. I haven't done like a proper acrylic thing. I just wanted to try it out, so I just stuck them on, and quality is really good. I really like it. I mean, you can't really tell on camera that I'm wearing fake nails. This I think retailed for 150 rupees. I'm taking a guess again, but I think it did not retail more than that. So yeah, I really like it. Okay, so next up I have a packet of scrunchies. Now these came like in a pack of 8 or 10 scrunchies. These are so much in trend right now. I'm wearing one. I'm using this black one as my regular scrunchie. On a daily basis I'm using it, but some are of velvet material and some are of satin material, and these are so pretty, you guys. I am telling you, so pretty, and these are of good quality. I am not lying at all. These are really good quality, and the material, these are really good quality. They look super cute, and I am in love with them. So good. I also wanted scrunchies that would like fit my very thin hair. I'm basically bald, so yeah, I don't really need those thick scrunchies. So these are also like perfect size for my very thin hair. So yeah, I'm really happy with my purchase. And again, these retailed for, I think, 165 rupees or 180 rupees. Next up I have this powder brush, and this is a very fluffy kind of powder brush, and I really like it. The quality is super good. This retailed for around 180 rupees again, and this is really good quality, so I really. So the next thing that I purchased are these brushes, set of brushes. These come in a set of 12 and they retailed for 300 rupees. I'm taking a guess again, not more than 300, I'm sure of it. Be satisfied with the quality. They are really good quality, especially for the price you are getting it at. So yeah. Okay, the next thing that I got are these pair of earrings. Now this retailed for 100 rupees. I remember it very well. These are very dainty. The quality is not like really good. I would say it is alright. I mean, if you press really hard, they are going to bend. Yeah, but it is fine, like nothing really bad, but it looks good. It looks super cool. Okay, so that was all for my accessories part. Now let's move on to the clothing part. Pink jacket. Okay, so the first thing that I want to show you all is this jacket right here. It's a crop jacket and this gives like a very retro kind of vibe. So yeah, and I bought this to like pair and I bought my fanny pack to pair it with this jacket because I bought this jacket around 4 to 5 months ago and I was not able to wear it even once, so I thought I might as well show it here. So yeah, and this retailed for around 800 to 900 rupees, and the quality isn't very good. Like you can see, the quality is like paper thin, the material, but again it's not really bad. So it's like a bomber jacket and you can wear it during summers. It's very lightweight. So okay, so next up I have this cami top, crocodile print cami top, and this is good quality. It is stretchy for only 300 or 350 rupees, so I thought why not just grab it. Looks super cool. The next clothing item that I want to show is this rib knit mock neck top. It's like a turtleneck, but it's not a complete turtleneck. So yeah, and this is like a bodycon top obviously, and this is in white color and I have it in another color as well. This is blue color. It's a navy blue color and I have it in top. Retailed for 600 rupees and the quality is fine. It is not something really good or something really bad. Top that I want to show you all is this cute red crop top. It is in full sleeves and it has got little sleeve detailing over here, and again it's a mock neck kind of top. So I really like it. The color is really good. The material is also nice. The material isn't bad quality, so I like it a lot. Again, this retailed for 700 rupees and I like it. The next top is again this mock neck top. It's in light baby blue color and I really like it. It comes with these Aladdin sleeves and yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm not able to show it properly to you guys, but yeah, and it is not crop at all. I don't know if you can see it in the camera or not, but this is not crop at all, and this retailed for 600 rupees and the quality is good. You can see it's in a rib knit material. The quality is good. I am not complaining at all. So okay, next up is this again mock neck rib knit top in black. I forgot I bought this one, but this is like a different quality than the other two. It is like very see-through. Can you see? It is very see-through and knitted, so it looks cute, but it is very see-through. Again, it's bodycon, but yeah, I'm gonna style it in some way or the other. I really like it as well. Again, this retailed for 600 rupees, around 600 rupees. So yeah. Okay, next up is this top, and this is like one of my favorites from all the clothing items that I purchased. It is a satin golden top and it is a cami top, but it looks so pretty. Like obviously I won't be able to wear it on its own in Ranchi, but yeah, I will like try to make it work. I will style it in different kind of way, and yeah, I'm so excited to wear this. This retailed for 500 rupees, around 500 rupees, and the quality is nice. It's good, and I really like. So the next piece of clothing is very sinister and super duper sexy. This is the top that I'm talking about, and you haven't seen all of it yet. It has just this chain. It is totally backless, and oh my god, this gives a totally like 90s disco queen vibe. And this is it, and this retailed only for 400 rupees. I remember very clearly, and I was like, yes, I need to grab it. So yeah, I also bought one more top, but I am unable to find it. It was a very cute half-sleeved mock neck t-shirt in white color, and it looked super duper nice. I'm really upset. I don't know. I'm not getting it. I searched everywhere, and I'm really pissed. But yeah, so that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then do not forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.